To the south elevators at Capital One Center. The parking garage elevators at Capital One Center. Virginia. These are Kone MonoSpace as well. These are Kone MonoSpace. This one's down. Both of them are going down. You can hear the brake on these elevators. Here's the map. This one's going all the way down. This one's coming up.
Yeah.
It stopped. It stopped on the street level. You can definitely hear the brake on the you can definitely hear the brakes.
Yeah, of course.
I'm not trying to capture faces. Oh, that one's coming up.
Password is weird. Weird is the password. They forgot about it. Yeah, let's go. That's weird, man. Yeah, dude, that's what I want to do.
Like I said, these elevators are busy today. This one, we are. This one's here.
Thank you.
Nick's playing around.
What floor?
Me too. Me too. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
What floor?
9.
Ninth floor?
9R.
B1 too, man?
B1?
Yeah, appreciate it.
Do you want to leave some tacos over here, perhaps?
I mean, we don't have utensils. I'm gonna try to be you guys pocket tacos. Like, I'm gonna try to mess up. I really would.
It's like some point dynamite.
Going down.
Thank you anyway.
Stay here, we'll see you downstairs. Huh? Nothing. Come on, bud. Ready to get smoked in town tomorrow?
I figured
I smoked it.
No,
I think I beat you by one. I don't think so.
One game?
Yeah.
Maybe.
So, it was a tie there, but
I think it was tied.
it was lost against someone who didn't play.
The last one,
Yeah,
it was.
what do you mean? Kids just didn't play.
Stopped on street level.
Smoked you. Did you beat him?
Going down.
See, I beat you twice. Every 10 times.
You know who Oscar beat? The security. I saw that coming. That's my
Going down.
Yeah. Okay.
Too slow.
Sudando los tres.
Going down.
Going down? This one's going down. So famous security.
B3 slow.
We're at B3. Going up to 11.
Going up.
These elevators are busy today. So we get a non-stop flight.
B1
No,
slow.
stop it at B1. Going up?
Going up.
Come on up. What floor?
11.
All right. Going to 11 too.
Street level.
Stop it at street level. So busy, busy, busy.
Going up.
Going up? What floor?
Perch.
Going up.
11.
Eleventh floor. Going down.
You're welcome. There it goes. And that'll be it.